I got passed by a little kid on a 50.
1,330 days ago. That's how long ago I started my diet. At the time, I weighed 470 pounds, I was super sick, and I was in the hospital. I made a promise to myself that day. I was going to turn my life around, I was going to lose the weight, and when I did, I was going to start racing motocross, which has been my childhood dream. I have spent the last 1,330 days dieting, exercising, and getting myself in the physical shape to do this. And today is a day I'm finally going to take my dirt bike onto a real motocross track. Now, if 1,330 days seems like a long time to you, that is nothing compared to the 20 years I have dreamt of this moment. 20 years ago, I turned on the TV, I saw a pro motocross race on ESPN2, and I fell in love with the sport, and I've wanted to do this since then. I'm on my way up to MX 101 in Epping, New Hampshire, which is a practice motocross track. This is going to be my first time I've ever taken a dirt bike onto a track. I have absolutely no idea what to expect from it. I don't know how well I'm going to do, but I'm going to put my GoPro on, I'm going to try my best, and I hope you guys stay around to watch.
This is my first time ever on a track.
I haven't seen you here.
Never been on a track before. I've been practicing for a while, so.
Alright, so very shortly we're going to shut down the track to water for a couple minutes.
That's fine.
And then we got the kids going out. Anyone on a big bike can go out there, but they have to be absolutely slow with the kids.
Oh, you don't gotta worry about that.
And then we have the big bike, which are like the fast guys and the slower.
Alright, I think I fall into the big guy category.
Anyhow, we're going to run it open for a little bit longer. You'll know when we kick you off. We'll have a second flag and everything.
Oh, second flag, okay.
Good.
I got passed by a little kid on a 50.
It's all right. You'll get faster, you'll get better.
It's sad when you get passed by a 5-year-old.
Can't look at that either. Not a bad crack?
No, it's not too hard. I can get around it easily. Just I can't jump anything. Like I can't jump that. Be honest, where do I belong?
What's that?
Be honest, where do I belong?
Nah, other class.
The one I was in?
Yeah.
Alright, so I was right then, I'm that slow.
Yeah, you're pretty slow. It's okay.
Alright, it's 11 o'clock at night right now. My GoPro died in the middle of the track when I was getting roasted by that guy for being so slow. He was actually a really nice guy. He helped me adjust the chain on my bike, so thank you to him for that. I'm on my way to the gym right now. I really need to work on my lower body strength. My legs were a little bit weak out there. I ended up doing 20 full laps the entire day. There were probably 20 of the slowest laps ever ridden there, but you know what? I kept it on 2 wheels and I'm proud of myself. I'll definitely try to get out there at least 1 or 2 more times before the end of the year, but I'm in school full-time right now and I work, so I don't really have that much time. If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate it. I'm going to try to make more videos more often. If you liked what you saw today, make sure to subscribe for more, and peace out.